Okay, so it's a crispy, not that chilly, I thought it would be more colder. September evening. I'm feeling a bit under the weather, not going to lie, because of the temperature change. But the pears must be harvested. Those are some apples. These are very bronzy red apples. All the way down there, in the bush over there. In the winter, have to clean all these weeds out. They're overgrown. Neglected them a lot. Unfortunately, have to get on with that at some point. Very green today. Put this on last minute out of my pajamas that I was in all day. There are the pears. Get on with harvesting now.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء صريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح
You can feel me. This is so heavy, guys. I'm just posing for the thumbnail. Barely can lift it. Have my knee as the support. Want to really do weightlifting? Try harvesting a ton of pears and holding both the baskets.